Idli. Maximize profits in Bitcoin trading during market volatility. Pro tips by Kursad Erk. Intro 0:00:30. Energetic tone. Welcome back to Kursad Erk, where we empower traders to unlock the full potential of Bitcoin. Today, we're diving into one of the most critical strategies for success: how to profit from Bitcoin trading during high volatility. Market swings are scary to some, but they're golden opportunities for those who are prepared. Let's get started. Section 1, 032. Understanding volatility. Bitcoin is known for its price volatility, sharp ups and downs within minutes or hours. But why does this happen? From macroeconomic news to institutional shifts and whale movements, Bitcoin reacts rapidly. For traders, this means one thing: timing and strategy matter more than ever. Use volatility indicators like Bollinger Bands, ATR, average true range, and volume spikes to spot trading windows. Section 2, 330. Strategy, scalping and breakout trades. During volatile markets, two strategies shine: scalping and breakout trading. Scalping means entering and exiting trades quickly, grabbing small profits from sharp moves. Breakout trading, that's when Bitcoin breaks above resistance or falls below support. Using tools like the RSI and MACD helps confirm these setups. The key is discipline. Set stop losses, take profit targets, and don't let emotions take over. Section 3, 335. Risk management, JISH, profit protection. Risk management isn't optional, it's your lifeline. In volatile conditions, widen your stop loss just slightly, but reduce your position size. Stick to the 2% rule. Never risk more than 2% of your capital on one trade. Also, diversify. Don't just trade BTC. Consider ETH, SOL, or even stablecoin pairs depending on volume. Remember, smart traders survive. Greedy ones get liquidated. Outro 5:05:30. Confident, encouraging tone. Volatility is not the enemy. It is the gateway to profit when approached with the right mindset and strategy. Want more advanced Bitcoin trading insights? Subscribe to the Kursad Erk channel, hit the bell icon, and join our growing community of empowered crypto traders. Trade smart, stay sharp, and keep unlocking the full potential of Bitcoin. See you in the next video.